Hi guys, I'm Patrick, and today I'm going to teach you how to load the data from the core data. So to do this, first we need to set up some basics. So first let's set up the table view, the delegate, and all the usual stuff. Okay, so now we have to declare an array of people. So people, person. So it's a person array. Actually, let's declare it as we should. Person. Okay, so that's how I declare an array in Swift. And now what we have to return here is people.count, and here let's cell.label, text label.text is equal to people index path.row dot we have to get their name. And also here we can manage this code by saying as person, and then we can just say person.name is equal to name. Okay, so now how do we get all the data we need? So first what you want to do is when we do this, you go load data or refresh. And we also want to refresh the data when the view appears. Refresh data. So what does the refresh data do? Well, of course, at the end we need to reload the data of the table view. But how do we get the data from the core data? Well, that's another question that's answered simply by core data. So first we need to get the app delegate. That's the same thing. So we just copy paste that. The next one is managed context. The same. Now is something different. We need to create a fetch request, which is basically a request like give me this, that, and that. So it's going to be ns fetch request, which is going to be a person. We want to fetch person and entity from the entity person, and we create a fetch request. As easy as that. Then we did fetch request. Let's do it again. I don't know what's the problem. And this fetch request person. Come on. Entity maybe. Oh, it's the entity name, of course. Yeah, here is also entity name. Okay, so again we have catch error. I could have copied and pasted that. Couldn't load is the different part. Now what we do is we say that the people that we declared up here is equal to try managed context dot fetch that request. And as simple as that, it should work. So let's see it working, and I'll go once again over the code so we can rehearse what it does. And it's really simple. You'll remember this after some time. It's really easy. So here we say contact Patrick. I don't know, Patrick 2, Patrick 3, whatever you want. And now the difference is that when you actually close the app and open it up again, it's always here. It's always going to be here. It's never going to disappear. That's that, and that's the cool part. The next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to actually delete the rows. How to do like this here, swipe, delete, and it deletes it from the core data. But let's first see what this does. So we get the app delegate, managed context. I said it's like a file. Then here fetch request. The fetch request says fetch me everything from the person entity. I'm going to further teach you how to like search for something where name is Patrick, or where the name contains Patrick or something like that. And then we just fetch that by the managed context and we save it into an array, because the fetch request returns the array of cells and the cell is a type of person, so we can just do it like this and save it into the people. We need to reload data so it shows actually in the table view. That's the reason we do that. So guys, that would be it from today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.